our topic, that is organic chemistry. And as you all know, this is the chapter number 8 in 10th standard ICSE. In the last lecture, we have seen the IUPAC nomenclature, and today we are going to see the some of examples of IUPAC nomenclature in alkane, alkene, alkyne, and all of that. Okay, so let's start. This is the homologous series I have written. You all know that what is a homologous series. The first, that is alkane. Here this is the structural formula. This is, we can say, the condensed structural formula, like CH2N plus 2. Here the N is the number of carbon atoms. Then how many number of carbon atoms are present in an organic compound? We can put that number in this N. So you will get the structural formula of that particular compound. So CnH2n plus 2. Then this is the functional group. Like how we write that? The alkane, the all carbons are attached with a single bond. So that's why I have written like this. Then root word, this is the meth, like CH4, that is methane. So we will write the formula according to this. Here the carbon in N we will put, that is 1 carbon atom. So 1 plus 2, 1 into 2, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 2, that is 4. So that is CH4. Here this is CH4, that is methane. According to this formula, in this N we will put the number of carbon atoms. So how many number of carbon atoms are present? This is 1. Only 1 carbon atom is present. So that is N. So carbon is 1. Then we will put this 1 here. 2 into 1, that is 2, plus 2, that is 4. So that's why this formula has become CH4. Then this is will become meth, that is methane. And the primary suffix ane, जो alkane का है, ane, we will call them as a methane. And the common name of methane is methane only. Same here, this is C2H6. That is, how we will do that? We will put the number of carbon atoms here, like a there are 2 carbon atoms. So this 2 will be here. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So that's why it will be C2H6. We know them as a eth. So ane from this alkane ka primary suffix, then it will become ethane. And we know them as a ethanol. In these alkenes, and alkenes, like their formula, like their structural formula is CnH2n. Here the carbon is attached with a double bond. So that's why we have written like this. Like C2, again on the N we have to put the how many number of carbon atoms are there. So there are 2 number of carbon atoms. So 2 into 2, that is 4. So that's why there will be 4 carbon atoms. There are 2 bonds. So carbon, how many bonds carbon is making? 4. So that's why 2 bonds is here, 1, 2, this 2, and then like this. So 4 bond is sufficient. This is eth. E and E, that is the primary suffix of alkenes, and we know them as a ethene. And in common name we call them as a ethylene. Then this is propene, like C3H6. We will write here like this way. Then this is pro, and E and E from alkene. This is propene, and we call them as in common name propylene. Same about the alkyne. In alkyne, what is the structural formula of alkyne? That is CnH2n minus 2. And here in alkyne, the carbon is attached with the triple bond. So there are 2 carbon atoms. So just put the here in N, just put the number of carbon atoms. There are 2 carbon atoms. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. So that's why it will be like this. Get it? Okay. This is eth, and Y this is the primary suffix of this alkyne, and we call them as a ethyne, and the common name of that is acetylene. This is C3H4, that is, again you can just make sure this formula is right. See, the number of carbon atom is 3. So 3 we just put here the 3. 3 into 2, that is 6. 6 minus 2, that is 4. So like this. Get it? Okay. Then this is pro, Y from the primary suffix of alkyne, and then we call them as a propyne. This is methyl acetylene, common name of propyne. Then this is alcohol. Alcohol is just, you can write here the this formula CnH2n plus 1 OH. Yeah, you can directly write, that is CnH2n plus 2 and H is cancelled. How it is 2? I will just prove it. See, this is CH3OH. How many carbon atoms are there? 1. How many hydrogen atoms are there? 4. So, see, we will put here 1 in the end. 1 carbon atom. So, any 1 is here. 2 into 1, 2 plus 2, 4. So, how many hydrogen atoms are there? This is 3 and this is 1. That is 4. And 1 is oxygen. So, you can remember in this way also. We will write here like this. In alcohol, the carbon and oxygen is attached with a single bond. So, that's why I have written like this. This is meth. Then, the parent alkane is methyl. So, A and E from the primary suffix of alkane and OL from it's a secondary suffix of alcohol. So it will become methanol. In a common name, what we call them as a methyl alcohol. So same about this. This is ethyl alcohol. This is ethyl alcohol. You can just make sure this formula is right here also. See how many carbon atoms are there? 2. So I will just put here 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So there are 6 carbon atoms. See, this is the 5 hydrogen atoms are there, and this is the 1 hydrogen atom is there. So that's why this is the 6 hydrogen atom is there, and 1 is oxygen. This is the eth. Okay, A and E from the alkane because the parent alkane is ethane. So A and E from the alkane. OL is a secondary suffix of alcohol. So it will become ethanol. And what is the common name of the ethanol? That is ethyl alcohol. Now we are going to see some more compounds, some more homologous series. This is the aldehyde. This is CnH2n. This is the structural formula. This is the functional formula. How we will represent the aldehyde group. This is H C double bond OH. Here, how many carbon atoms are there? 1. So that's why it is known as meth. A and E is a primary suffix of parent alkane. Al is a secondary suffix of aldehyde. So that's why it is known as the IUPAC name of this is methanol. What is the common name of that? That is formaldehyde. Here, this is CH3C double bond OH. How many carbon atoms are there? 2. So that's why this is known as ethanol. Again, A and E from the primary suffix of alkane, and Al, this is the secondary suffix of aldehyde, and this is known as ethanol. And what is the common name of that? That is acetaldehyde. This is the carboxylic acid. In carboxylic acid, HC double bond OH, and this is the function. This is the structural formula of that, CnH2nO2, and this is the way how it represents. So that's why it's known as the structural formula. How many carbon atoms are here? 1. So that's why it's meth. And E from the parent alkane, and OIC acid, that is from the carboxylic acid. So what we know as this is the 1 carbon atom. So that's why it's known as the methanoic acid. And what is the common name of that? That is formic acid. Here CH3C double bond OH. There are 2 carbon atoms, so that's why it's known as ethane. And E parent alkane, primary suffix, OIC acid. This is from the carboxylic acid. What we call it? That is ethanoic acid. And what is the common name of that? That is acetic acid. Then this is the alkyl halide, CnH2n plus 1 X. X is representing the aldehyde group like chloro, bromo, iodo, fluoro and all that. This is the CH3Br. Br is for the bromine. There is a 1 carbon atom, so that's why it's meth. Ne from the parent alkane, and bromo is from the bromide. So we know as a bromomethane. What is the common name of that? That is methyl bromide. Here this is the ethyl group because there are 2 carbon atoms and chlorine is attached. So 2 carbon atoms, that's why it is eth. Ne from the parent alkane, chloro is from the aldehyde group. That's why it's known as a chloroethane. And what is the common name of that? That is ethyl chloride. Ketone. What is the formula of that? CnH2nO. This is CH3O, CH3. The way it represents like this. यहाँ पे CH3, यहाँ पे carbon double bond O, then CH3. How many carbon atoms there? 1, 2, 3. So that's why it's known as a prop. Ready? Then Ne from the and E from the ketone. So that's why it is known as a propanol. This is dimethyl ketone, the common name of that. Then ether. This is CnH12 plus 2O. The way it represents like this way, like C single bond O single bond C. This is also known as an alkoxy group. This is known as a ketonic group. This is known as an alkoxy group. So CH3O CH3. There are like the smallest one. The one who is the smallest one that considered as a parent alkane. So that's why we consider here that is the Ne from the parent alkane, OXC from the alkoxy. This is known as methoxymethane, and the common name that is known as dimethyl ether. Here, this is methyl group, this is ethyl group. So, as I told you, we will consider the smallest one. So, what we consider? Methane. So, meth, Ne, OXC, OXY. This is methoxyethane, and that is known as, when we write this into the common name, that is known as ethyl methyl ether. I hope you got all these things. In the next lecture, we will see the properties and how we make the alkanes. We will see that. तब तक हंसते रहिए, खुश रहिए और एकेडमिक नॉलेज इंस्टीट्यूट को देखते रहिए. Thank you so much.